Hi, my name is Colleen and here are all of the clothes that I've thrifted. So I talk about thrifting a lot, and making this video has been a huge knock to my ego. I've wanted to think this whole time that like half of my closet is secondhand, when in reality the basket I put together is more like a quarter of my closet. And I did do a recent closet purge where I gave away a few things, but not a whole lot of them were thrifted, so a quarter is kind of an accurate description and sad. And I realized I don't do as much real thrifting as I thought I did, and any secondhand item is real thrifting, but I'm in like elbow deep in a Goodwill. So here's to increasing my thrifted ratio, decreasing the rest, and ridding my closet of fast fashion. So here's all of the clothes that I've thrifted and where and how I got them. Okay, so first is the shirt that I'm currently wearing because I couldn't film a thrifted video without wearing thrifted clothes. That'd just be weird. It's originally Brandy Melville and I got it for a really good deal in a bundle with another shirt, which is this shirt, also from Brandy Melville. Mostly got it because I really wanted the other shirt and it made it a good deal. This shirt I made in my thrift flip video. It was $5 at Deseret Thrift, and it took 2 seconds to cut. If you don't know what Deseret Thrift is, it's an LDS owned thrift shop. It's kind of like Goodwill, and it's really popular in Utah and Arizona. This I found in the men's section. It was like $3 on a sale Saturday. And it's exactly what I think of when I say I need to go elbow deep in a Goodwill. Vintage Levi's. They're originally from Denim Heaven Co. in LA, but I got them off Poshmark from someone who said they didn't fit properly, and I've been obsessed with them. These shorts I got so long ago, I don't remember exactly where I got them from, but I think it was something similar to like Buffalo Exchange or Plato's Closet. Vintage Fila shirt that my boyfriend got me from Stocked Vintage London or LDN on Instagram. This bikini, originally from Finky's Bikinis, that I got on Poshmark, not used, with tags for a really good deal. Brandy Melville turtleneck from Depop. And when I got this in the mail, it came with like 500 Brandy stickers. This is actually my work shirt and it looks a lot better with the apron over it. Nike leggings from Plato's Closet. Purple leggings with pockets, also from Plato's Closet. I wear to work out all the time. Scallop sports bra, also from Plato's Closet. A scrunchie from Plato's Closet. Brandy Melville skirt, I believe this is from Depop. Brandy Melville top from Depop. It was really cheap because it had a stain on the bottom, but I ended up cropping it. White t-shirt from Poshmark. I got it in a bundle with another shirt I ended up giving to someone else because it didn't fit. And that's everything that I've thrifted. Expect more thrift hauls in the near future after quarantine, or maybe I'll just do some online thrifting. But thanks so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see from me. Thanks. Bye.